No, nobody's gonna believe that that's the dog snoring and not you. Huh? That's funny. And then down at the other end, we have the cat that Cindy says will go to nobody, sleeping at your feet.
I just think it's awesome how this dog like snores when you pet it. It's the best. Now what?
It's like pet my ass, I can't reach it.